It's a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from Zimbabwe, and a very good afternoon to you in the USA. And of course, a very good evening or good afternoon wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for joining us for the first ever Zimbabwe Independence Festival, brought to you courtesy of Kutandara Center. And we'd like to say a big shout out and a big thank you to Amy and Randy, our directors in Kutandara Center, for making this year's festival a success and birthing this new dream for Kutandara and this new baby for us as a world. We celebrate Zimbabwe at 41, and the next 3 days are going to be special, as we're going to be bringing you music, bringing you information from Zimbabwe, discovering Zimbabwe from a different perspective, and a couple of workshops and awesome discussions. My name is Blessing Bled Chimanga, hashtag Coach Bled. I'm one of the producers of this year's festival, as well as your host, as well as a performer. So I'm excited to be part of this year's ZIF 2021. So thank you so much for watching, and please invite your friends. Please share this broadcast. It's going to be an awesome night, an awesome afternoon, an awesome morning wherever you are watching from. And before we even introduce our first performer today, allow me to give a special thank you to our sponsors. We have people who have partnered with us financially, who have partnered us with different services, and would like to just say thank you to them for making this year's festival a success.
Hey everybody, welcome to the 2021 Zimbabwe Independence Festival. I think it's the first ever online independence festival celebrating Zimbabwe's independence in 1980. Happy birthday, Zimbabwe, 41 years. We're really excited to be here together with you today. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, just want to take a quick minute to shout out for our sponsors. Thanks so much for stepping forward and helping us cover our on-the-ground costs in Zimbabwe. The French Alliance in Harare, Anzanga Marimba Ensemble, Dreams Trust, Mbira Dziva, Jangano, the Kutandara Center, the Marimba Moscow Lions, Polyphony Marimba, Dana Moffat and Rubitano, and Singing Wood. Thank you so much for your support. You made this festival possible. Let's get back to the show.
And to open this year's grand Zimbabwe Independence Festival, remember, we are here today. We are here tomorrow, Saturday. We have workshops. So please do check out details that are going to be popping on as the concerts are going, and register on kutandara.org if you'd like to be part of a dance workshop, a Mbira workshop, a Marimba workshop, and a conversation that we're going to have later on as well. And on Sunday, we have some amazing film. We're showing an amazing Zimbabwean film. I'm not going to tell you the name of the film today. If you want to be part of this, please do register with us. It's going to be right here, and it's going to be amazing. So kutandara.org, that's where all our information is. You can inbox us here on Facebook, here on YouTube, and you can also inbox us even on our Instagram page as Kutandara. Please do follow us and enjoy the rest of the festival. And to open this year's grand festival, it's gonna be an amazing marimba band. Help me welcome on stage from the United States of America, the Moscow Marimba Lions. Big thank you. Such a performance, heartwarming, passionate, unbelievable. I hope you're having a good time as this is Zimbabwe Independence Festival virtual version brought to you by Kutandara. And next up, right here from Zimbabwe, we have an amazing songbird. She's a guitarist, she's a Mbira player, she's a singer, songwriter, and a music teacher as well. Ladies and gentlemen, she's hitting waves in Zimbabwe, and we're excited to have her on the festival this year. And this is Eve Mananda.
Hello, everyone. My name is Evie Manhanda. Welcome to Zimbabwe Independence Festival, brought to you by Kutandara Arts Festival. I'll be performing and entertaining you tonight, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. So the first song I'm going to perform is my own original composition titled Especially in Africa. Is it okay if I say we're in a war, especially in Africa, killing the vibes that you don't understand, that you don't know, especially in Africa. You're looking at me from the outside, mass destruction on the inside. Can we refresh and start again? Especially in Africa. Ngati nzwisisane, ngati wirirane, ukanditerera nikakuterera, tondwisisana ka. Ngati nzwisisane, ngati wirirane, ukanditerera nikakuterera, tondwisisana ka. Himima kweguru sachora poten hingawani makati chingao semananga iwe mupere iwe kuziva mbuya hutwa ndamba kuudzwa kaonekwa nembonje. You're looking at me from the outside, mass destruction on the inside. Can we refresh and start again? Especially in Africa. Gati nzwisisane, gati wirirane. Ukandeterera, igagoterera, tondwisisana ka. Gati nzwisisane, gati wirirane. Ukandeterera, igagoterera, tondwisisana ka. Gati nzwisisane, gati wirirane. Ukandeterera, igagoterera, tondwisisana ka. Gati nzwisisane, gati wirirane. Ukanditerera, igagoterera, tondwisisana ka. Isn't he a wonderful guitarist? His name is Daniel Sonumsekiwa. So this is just day one. We have 3 days running. So many artists that are in line. So make sure you don't miss and make sure you share this page with your friends and family. The next song I'm going to perform is another composition of my own, titled Brave Heart. So I kind of wrote this one for all the Zimbabweans. So you don't give up so easily. You gotta fight for what you believe in. For what I was not built in a day. Hey, you are the man, so you don't give up so easily. You gotta fight for what you believe in. For what I was not built in a day. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. He keeps holding, she keeps holding, he keeps holding on. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling on. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sangori no pauaneta, nonga pumbo mwanangu, usara setariro iwe, shingirira pugama na mata. Sangori no pauaneta, nonga pumbo mwanangu, usara setariro iwe, shingirira pugama na mata. Harare mwana wa Zimbabwe, harare mwana wa Zimbabwe. He keeps holding, she keeps holding, he keeps holding on. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling on. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Brave heart inside of you. brave heart inside of you. There's a brave heart inside of you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Brave heart inside of you, yeah, 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 yeah. I could feel you from here. I could feel you dancing like you're from Jamaica. So the last song I'm going to perform is titled Samatenga. And I'll be playing a Zimbabwean original instrument, the Mbira. Kutandara Arts Festival. See you next time. My name is Evie Manhanda. Follow me on all social media platforms, Evie Mananda Music. Thank you.
That was soulful, that was beautiful, and I hope it's taking you to Zimbabwe, because that is our hope as we celebrate 41 years of Zimbabwean independence. The gentleman I'm about to introduce is not a stranger to most of you that are watching today. He has visited the United States, he has done workshops in the US, he has inspired so many bands, Mbira bands, Marimba bands in the US, and of course we don't forget his father, the late, who inspired so many of us, who inspired the culture of Zimbabwe in so many ways in terms of the arts. Ladies and gentlemen, a young man who is doing so well, working hard, doing the best he can to carry the legacy of his father and also to create his own legacy for his own children. An amazing musician, Mbira player, Marimba player, music director, music teacher, a recording artist. He's got his video coming out this Sunday that we're going to showcase for the first time on this festival. This is none other than Taffie Matiure.
Chimbiridzo mira mira tezvaravo tamba tamba iwewe. Chimbiridzo mira mira tezvaravo tamba tamba iwewe. Musha watsakatika vana vapera pera imi makona pisai. Musha watsakatika vana vapera pera imi makona pisai. Orendendewo, orendendewo, orendende makona pisai. Orendendewo, orendendewo, orendende iwe. Chimbiridzo mira mira tezvaravo tamba tamba iwewe. Nganga dzochema chema sabhuku wachema chema imi. Musha watsakatika vana vapera pera imi makona pisai. Musha watsakatika vana vapera pera imi makona pisai. Orendendewo, orendendewo, orendende makona pisai. Orendendewo, orendendewo, orendende iwe. Hello people, welcome to Kutandara Live Festival online. We're celebrating 41 years of independence. Hooray to Zimbabwe. My name is Taffie and I am going to be your entertainer. Vari kumusoro zitarenyu ngari eriswe umambo wenyu ngauzvike kuda kwenyu ngakuitwe. Haleluya, 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 haleluya. Tipeiwo nasi kudya kwedu mutiregerere zvatatadza sokuregerera kwatoita vanotitadzira musatirega tichiwira mune izvo zvindotiedza asi mutinunure kune wakaipa musatirega tichiwira mune izvo zvindotiedza asi mutinunure kune wakaipa. Haleluya, Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You are. Musatire katichiwi mune izo zvinotiedza asi mutinunuri kune wakaipa. Musatire katichiwi mune izo zvinotiedza asi mutinunuri kune wakaipa. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the band, Mr. Mugati, and my director for accompanying me on this one. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Taffie Matiure. I'm going to give you my last song. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. One day, 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 one day. One day, 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 one
Mundoro, aha, Mundoro, aha, Mundoro, aha, Mundoro, yeah, 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 Mundoro, aha, Mundoro,
center, thank you so much, Mandebo and Chiera, for supporting Zimbabwean arts, Zimbabwean creatives. We really, really, really appreciate you. Zimbabwe at 41, we wish us many more.
I know how you're feeling. I know how you're feeling. You can write in the comment section. It's just amazing and getting better and better and better. Did you see how that guy was using the Mbira and the gadget? Taking culture, taking what's happening now and putting it all together and bringing it for you for the Zimbabwe Independence Festival, ZIF 2021. A big thank you to Tafi, to Eve, and to Moscow Lions for already making this festival hot. Don't forget, we still got 2 more days to go. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next are 2 awesome musicians. They have taken Mbira music to another level in the United States. From Santa Cruz. Amazing people. Visited Zimbabwe before. Done so much for the culture of Zimbabwe in the USA. Hosted so many workshops, so many concerts, so many camps with other Zimbabweans. This is none other than Mbira Dziva.
This next song is called Masangano. It's spirits blending together. And that's what this party is, isn't it?
Yeah.
it so short because it was so beautiful. Thank you, Mbira Dziva. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you so much for such amazing, rich music. And I would like to say to my Zimbabwean fellows who are watching, can you see, in the USA, they are celebrating our culture. They are celebrating our instrument. Are you not proud to be Zimbabwean today? Happy independence, happy 41. And last but not least, to close tonight, is an amazing lady, young lady. She has really been doing well ever since her school days. She visited the United States in 2019 and did so much, inspired so many young people. She's a Marimba player, a Mbira player, a singer, a dancer, an energetic performer. And in Zimbabwe, recently she's been called the Queen of Marimba because she's one of the ladies who have really taken this instrument to another level in Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor to introduce and to close tonight's festival, Lerato, #Lee.
A pleasant evening to you all. I am Lerato Molife, otherwise better known as Lee. Welcome to the celebration of the Zimbabwe Independence Day, Day 1. Enjoy. The first song I will perform is called Zvichapera by Thomas Mfumo. Enjoy.
Sarango, Javezimo. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.